Where's that wee dog? What are you doing? What's that wee dog doing? What are you doing, darling? Do you want out? Do you want out? You coming out? Huh? What have you done in there? Good grief, nearly a vet panel. My goodness! What's on the papers in there? Did you leave a mess for me to clean? Yes, of course you did, Daddy. What do you think you're doing? What are you doing? Does Daddy love you, darling? Ah, it's a lovely girl. Where's wee Tilly? Check out that wind. It's absolutely insane. Oh, it's actually calmed down. Those trees were sitting sideways 2 minutes ago. Just giving the drain its daily rinse. So there you have it. It's the 29th of September 2016. I think it's about 12:30 in the afternoon. The weather's not too bad. I think it's 16 degrees today. Quite breezy. I see these flowers watered. They're still doing well for the time of the year, right enough. I mean, it's nearly October and I still have flowers. So that's the wee dog all mucked out. That's her wee feet all rinsed. You always get the feet rinsed every day, 2 or 3 times a day. That's everything in here all rinsed. All nice and clean. Now, when the water drains away over there, I'll brush all the rubbish up there. What you can see there is carrot peel and bits of carrot. We give her a carrot for a doggy bone and she loves it. So while I have the camera out, I'm going to show you what I feed the dog. As you know, I love carrot juice and I juice carrots in my juicer, and this is what comes out of the juicer after I juice. And these are trimmed off the carrots before I juice, the ends. Big handful of that. The dog loves this, by the way. Handful of that. Handful of crunchies. Spoonful of dog food. You can see the dog absolutely loves it. She devours the lot in no time at all. 2 or 3 minutes and it's woofed down. And then of course it has to squeeze it out again. But trust me, the mess this dog leaves on my papers is a lot easier cleaned because her diet is mostly carrot pulp and not that stupid dog food slop stuff that all the rest of the dogs eat, or what she used to eat. We juice every day now, so there's loads of carrot pulp, so she's always getting carrot pulp as a filler. Carrot pulp crunchies and a wee tiny bit of dog food. She loves it. Just as happy as Laura. But I'm really happy because our mess is easy to clean. It just rolls onto your shovel, rolls into the bag. This is precisely what I'm talking about. See that? See, it doesn't leave a mess anywhere. This is what happens when you feed your dog the right food. Look at that. Not one bit of a mess left anywhere. I'll clean that. Give it a good rinse for 5 minutes. Oh, by the way, just in case you forgot, don't forget, you're a winner.